welcome to Ayaan's Play World. Hey guys, did you guys had fun last week? Well, I came back with another bird fun facts. Let's see what bird comes first. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, how did you get here? Can you go get me my first bird? Look who's here, a peacock. Do you know that peacock is a national bird of India? Peacocks are huge, colorful birds famous for their beautiful feathers in their tails. It takes 3 years to grow their feather tails. But do you know that males only have that long, beautiful feathers? Let's see what bird comes next. It's a woodpecker. Do you know that woodpeckers have strong beaks for drilling and drumming on trees? They also have long sticky tongues for extracting food.